Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra and today is episode 2 of Studio Fix, my series dedicated to making over small spaces, specifically studio or bachelor apartments. Today I'm tackling the bathroom of my friend Katie. I made over her studio apartment in episode 1 of this series, which I will link up here. And so many of you were asking, where's her bathroom? What about her bathroom? So today, this is the space I am tackling. Thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. They are quickly becoming one of my most favorite hair care brands ever. And I am going to tell you how you can customize your hair routine later on in this video, so don't miss it. But first, without further ado, let's begin this small bathroom makeover. This is a really tiny bathroom, and so my goal for this space is to add storage solutions while also making it feel pretty and stylish. Katie has a lot of under cabinet storage, but as you can see, there's stuff all over the vanity. There isn't any shelves in this bathroom, so those are the kinds of things that I'm going to add to this space. They're just quick fixes that all of you guys can accomplish in a day, starting with paint. Paint is such a simple and easy, quick fix to any room, but especially a bathroom. And in a small space like this, you can have tons of fun because if you hate it, down the line, you can just paint over it. Katie's walls were baby pink before, but when I started this makeover, she was like, I'm not loving the light pink color. I wanna keep it pink, but I want it to be like more cool and like California feeling. So I was like, great. Love a good paint makeover, especially when I'm going from like light pink to cool pink. When I say cool pink, I mean like trendy pink. Like I visit Palm Springs often. Point is, she wanted her walls pink, but she wanted them darker. She wanted them more stylish, more trendy. This weekend, I gave this bathroom a quick coat of pink paint. Now we're here to actually do the makeover. Get some shelves up, get some prints up, get some plants in here. I can't wait. Let's get started. P.S. All the products will be linked down below. So if you want this pink in your life, it's linked down below. Now that this space has been painted, the holes have been patched, I'm going to be adding a mirror. Everyone needs a mirror above their sink in a bathroom, obvious, but Katie is lacking storage, and so I wanted to find a mirror with storage built into it. You can get those, traditional medicine cabinets that have mirrors on the front, the ones with the doors, but I find that those can be quite bulky. I needed a solution that was a little outside the box. So I was super happy when I found this round mirror that actually has storage built into the back of it. It's open, it's airy, but it's also hidden. I love things like this that do more than one job and look really beautiful. It's a win-win. And these are the kinds of pieces you should be on the hunt for when you are decorating your small bathroom. So for the items that won't fit in the cabinet above the sink, all those things that Katie doesn't use on a daily basis, like sunscreen or extra razors, I'm using acrylic organizers and placing these under the cabinet. Now I do have one acrylic organizer that's just for makeup, and this is really handy because she can just pull this out from under the cabinet, put it on top of her counter in the mornings. When she's done with it, she can tuck it away. These organizers reduce clutter and they keep everything corralled and in one place. I am using an oil-based paint to paint the cabinets under the sink. I want it to look brighter in here because it is such a small space, and I feel like the black cabinets are just so heavy. And you want to use an oil-based paint for a couple of reasons. Oil-based paint is really great for painting over IKEA cabinets that have that kind of glossy lacquered finish. And because this is a bathroom and there's lots of moisture, an oil-based paint will help repel moisture. If you use regular paint, it's going to streak and it's not gonna hold up to the moisture that happens in your bathroom on a regular basis. So while this is drying, I'm going to keep decorating. So on the open shelves that I'm going to be putting up momentarily, I am actually going to be gifting Katie some of her own custom shampoo and conditioner from the company called Function of Beauty. And I was thrilled when they asked me to collaborate with them because I have heard nothing but good reviews and wanted to try this stuff out for myself. So the cool thing about this brand is that they make custom shampoo and conditioner for your hair. You take a 2-minute quiz. So I did one and Katie did one. So they ask you your hair type and the goals for your hair. Do you want shinier hair? Do you want to fix your split ends? I picked oil control because I am one of those people that washes my hair every day, which I know contributes to like the oil production in my hair, but I thought I would give it a try. And I have to say, I have loved using this. You can pick your color and your scent. I went for an 100% natural peppermint, eucalyptus, and lavender blend. And this stuff smells amazing. It kind of tingles when it goes on my head, which is so nice. It feels like I'm at a spa. If scent or color is not your thing, you can get non-colored shampoo and non-scented shampoo as well. So there's so many different alternatives, so many different blends. And I can honestly say that I have seen a difference in my hair. People keep commenting on like how healthy my hair looks. And I'm like, thanks, it must be the function of beauty. Also, it comes with these cute little stickers. So you can put them on your bottle and just like customize it, which is just really fun and cute. So not only do these look great in my shower, but they work great as well. If you guys want to try out Function of Beauty for yourself, take the hair quiz and use my code for 20% off your purchase. Thank you, Function of Beauty, for giving my viewers a chance to try this awesome shampoo and conditioner. It smells so good. Fresh. Next up, I'm gonna be hanging some art on the walls. The bathroom is actually one of my favorite places to hang art because I feel like you can have lots of fun with it. This isn't a place you're gonna be hanging like gallery-worthy pieces. So what I like to do, and it's a really fun budget solution, is go on a store like Etsy or any kind of online art store and download printable art. It's not expensive. If it gets warped because of moisture, that's fine. A good tip is to make sure your frames are really tightly sealed at the back so they're not letting any moisture in. But if you're spending like $5 on a print, which is what this cost, then you don't have to worry about it getting damaged over time because you can replace it. So I'm hanging 2 pieces. Now that this art is hung, I'm gonna be hanging art in the form of a shower curtain. And I feel like for a small bathroom, a bright and bold shower curtain is the way to go in any space, actually. It's like if there's one thing you add to your bathroom, let it be a fun and quirky shower curtain. Guys, I am obsessed with the shower curtain. And I love how just one product like this can just make such a huge difference in a small space. It's time to add some plants to this bathroom, but I need to be realistic because there is absolutely no natural light coming through this bathroom. There's not even a window like near this bathroom. So I'm gonna use a faux plant. I usually try and stay away from faux plants just because they're not the best for the environment and they just don't look as nice as real plants. But I think in a case like this, buying a faux plant once in a while is okay, and it's gonna survive in this bathroom because it's faux. I've been really loving adding hanging long plants to a space. I feel like they add interest, they add texture and depth to a room, especially in a small space. It's like that impactful piece of decor that just never goes out of style. Katie was keeping her towels on the back of her door, which is always a great solution for small spaces. But I thought bringing in a ladder would be such a fun and decorative way to make use of this little corner. And it's also going to house more towels. Because Katie lives in a studio apartment, 1-room home with 1 tiny closet, something like this is great because she can hang all of her clean towels on this ladder. There's so much space. Rather than that tiny towel bar, which doesn't store a lot, this is maximizing wall space, vertical space, and she won't have to store a towel anywhere else. They're all in one place, they're here, and it looks really pretty too. Without further ado, let's bring in Katie. It's time to reveal the space. Picture what your bathroom looked like before. It was dark, it was cluttered, there was no storage anywhere. And now, in my opinion, it's so much more cute and happy and fun to match the rest of your apartment. Okay, on the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
It's so bright,
Isn't it?
I love this. It's like millennial pink Insta.
Yes. And this mirror, which actually has hidden storage behind it.
Behind it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so no clutter. That's so cool.
You're happy with it? Yay! So your apartment's officially done now. And there you guys have it. I am thrilled with how this little bathroom has turned out. This wasn't a massive makeover, but it goes to show that those small things like a ladder to store all of your towels or a beautiful shower curtain can really transform a space. Thank you to Function of Beauty again for sponsoring this video. I'm so happy that I got to work with them. Make sure you click the link down below in the description box so you can get 20% off your next order. Let me know in the comments what your most prized decorative moment in your bathroom is. Is it an art print? Is it your shower curtain? Is it a fun hook?
No, I can't cry anymore. I left all my tears in the last video.
I was gonna say,
you should watch.
Yes, if you want to see Katie bawl her eyes out when she saw the main space being transformed, click up here. I'll have it linked. Yay! I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.